Friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Computer E-Learning. So in this video we will learn Linux commands. So I will going to create a playlist where I will going to record 2-3 video where you will able to learn complete Unix and Linux course. So in this playlist we will going to learn all these commands where all the Linux course will be completed. So in this video this will be class 1 where we will cover these 10 commands which is most commonly used in our Linux system. So here what is the use of these commands? So we will learn or see how we will use these commands practically in our console. So what is the use of this command? So we will learn one by one. If I am going to create a one video, so it will be very lengthy, so I have divided this course in 2-3 videos. So this will be the class 1 where we will learn these 10 commands. So I am using git bash for Linux terminal where we will able to see the Linux. So I am zoom in. So if you want to use a terminal where you want to get the facility of this Linux terminal, you can download the git bash. You need to go to Google, then you need to type git bash download, then you will able to see. You need to click here, then obviously we are using Windows system, then you need to choose Window, then you can install the setup as per your requirement. If my system configured with 64-bit, I need to click here, then this setup will be downloaded. So already installed this git setup, so I'm not going to install. So here I already opened it. So firstly we are going to use this pw command. So this command used for this where we are on which directory. So we can see here, if I'll go to type pwd, so we can see here I'm in C drive, users, and this folder Jitain. So here pwd command used to display where we are on. So I'm going to use this cd command. So cd command is used to change the current directory. So I'm in this right now. So I'm going to do cd, then I'm going to documents folder, then I'm going to new folder, then we can see here I'm in this new folder. See, I'm again type pwd. So you can see here this is different from previously I was on this. So right now I'm in this directory, new folder. So you can see here, so this is the use of pwd. So second command will be mkdir. So this command is used to create a directory. So I can create a new directory in this folder. So I simply need to type mkdir folder 1. So we can see here folder 1 will be created. We can verify. This is the command ls. Using ls we can see which folders and files are there in this directory. So this is the command. This command is used to display the list of contents of a directory. So I am this directory right now in new folder. So where we can see this is the folder 1 is there. So we can create another folder. I am just typing mkdir folder folder 2. So I'm again doing ls. Then we can see here two folders is there because we have created folder 1 previously. Then again we have created folder 2. So we can see here there are two folders in this directory. So pwd commands is used for location where we are on. mkdir used to create a directory. So this is the third command is used to delete the directory. rmdir command name is rmdir. So what we need to do, rmdir, then we need to type directory name. Directory means folder. So we need to type folder, folder folder 1. Then if I'll enter, then folder 1 will be deleted. So we can see here I'm going to do ls, then ls is used for see all the contents in this directory. So folder 1 has been deleted now because we use this rmdir. So rmdir used to delete the folder. Then this is the command ls. Ls command used to display the list of content we used many times previously. So I'm again doing ls. So you can see here what folders are there and what files are there. So another command is cd. Cd used for change directory. Cd for change directory. Cd command used to change the directory. Right now I'm in this new folder. I'm going to sorry cd dash dot dot slash. If I'll do this, then I'll back to previous directory. So I can see here if I'll do ls, then we can see here all the folders are there. So right now I'm going to this folder cd. So I'm in this folder right now. I'm going to do pwd. So I'm in this folder right now with clone. So here ls command used to display the content. So I'll do ls here. So nothing is there because we did not created any folder or file here. Then this is the touch command. Touch command is used to create an empty file. So this command used to empty file. So I am going to create a file. So I am typing touch, then file. I am typing file 1.txt. So file 1.txt will be created using this touch command. So I'm going to do ls. So we can see here. So we have used wrong extension for txt. So I'm going to create another file touch touch file 2.txt. So I'm again going to do this ls. Then we can see here two files has been created, file 1 and file 2. So empty file, we can create the two file in one go as well using touch command. So how we can create? So I need to type touch touch. Then I need to type file abc.txt comma abc1 dot txt comma abc2 dot txt. So two file will be created. So we have created abc.txt, which will be file 1, abc2.txt, which will be file 2. So if we'll do ls, then we can see here all the files here. So we have created two files with this name. So we can see here what the files has been created. So we can see here we have used this touch command, using touch command to create multiple files. And this is the cat command. Cat command is used to to read the content of any of the file. This command is used for another purpose as well. So here, so we need to write few things in this file, then we will able to see what is there. So I'm going to do or I'm going to write few things in this abc.1 txt file. So I'm using another command vim, then abc.txt. Then I need to press I, where I'm able to insert something. So this I am typing something. This is my first file. Then I need to press esc key. Then I need to press colon. Then I need to press w key and exclamatory symbol. Then this file will be saved. So here, if we want to see what content is there using cat command, so we can use cat command. So what we need to do, we need to just type cat, then we need to type file name abc dot txt, then we can see this is my first file. So I'm going to do ls, so and then we can see here this is the file abc.txt. So where we have write few things in this file, and we are able to see in console as well. So just type cat abc, then we can see this is the content in this file. Rm command used to remove the file from directory. So how we can use rm command? So first we need to see what is the file, how many files in our directory. So we can do ls, so we can see here these four five files are there. So I'm going to delete a file using this rm command. So I need to do type rm, then file name abc.txt, then I have entered, then we can see here file abc. Previously abc file was there, but it is not there at this time. So we can delete multiple file as well using this rm command. So we need to type rm, we need to type file name abc1, then abc2, if I'll enter, then both the file will be deleted. We can see here these two files has been deleted, abc1 and abc2. So if I'll do ls, then we can see here these files are not showing here. So that's all in this video. So next video will coming soon, so where we will able to see remaining commands, how we will going to use. So keep watching computer e-learning.